Here's my PowerMac G4 Quicksilver, which, well, let's say it short, does not work. But why is that so? Well, a little story to this. This has been my server machine, summer from 2000, early 2012, all the way to September, so 2013. And yeah, it worked perfectly there. Then I set it up, and well, new obviously, new operating system and stuff. And I believe the next day, or was it 2 days after I installed this thing, it just doesn't want to show any video signal. It powers on, the loud fans and stuff. It powers on just fine, but it doesn't show any video signal. So, first I thought it's the RAM, but no, that couldn't be the case. It makes the bong just fine. So it can be two things, and I still don't know to this day. But today we're gonna find out what this issue is. But before I tell you what this could be, let's just see what this does not have, or what's still left in this computer. Because this was pretty much a parts machine. It was totally worthless because I thought this thing is dead. So it doesn't have a graphics card, which was the biggest issue in getting this going again, for me at least. No RAM, no hard drive. So, yeah, what was the problem? Or, well, what could be the problem? It could be the processor or the graphics card. So why is that graphics card missing? That is simple, because I wanted to get a different graphics card, but I lost the old one, sort of, because I had my room new painted, and I had to move a lot of stuff around, and it just was lost. And me, idiot, I could have kept it in here. So that was, I believe, in, well, what was it, August last year. And since then I haven't cared about this anymore. And so today I got called, and well, I've got a friend who works in a computer shop, and he says he's got a spare graphics card, because I talked to him about his graphics card, and it is this that came from a different PowerMac. He just said a PowerMac. I don't know if it was a G4 or G3, but I guess it's a G4. And why I can prove you that is because this stupid connector is Apple's, what was it, for their displays. Anyway, this should be working. So, if this didn't work, or if this doesn't make any difference, then it is the processor, and then this is worthless. But if this works and the whole thing powers out just fine, then yeah, then it was a graphics card, which, I lost. Anyway, what was next? Oh yeah. So the next thing, of course, we need something to get it going, and that is RAM. I've got here these two sticks I found laying around. These are two spare ones. I bet these two, or at least one of them, came already out of this thing. This is, I believe, yeah, it says 512 megabytes. This doesn't have a sticker. This is 2 megabytes though. So yeah, I don't know if that's 2 megabytes or, well, there's something missing. I guess it's something missing. Anyway, around here, and if that thing actually works, I've got a brand new hard drive here for it. Brand new. Actually not. It's the old boot drive from my new server. Maxtor 80 gigabyte hard drive. It says it here, right there. Focus. There you can see. And yeah, it's a crappy hard drive, obviously, but it should be fine. It's still IDE and powered by, what is this, Molex or so. I have no experience anymore with these things. Need to work a little more on old computers. Anyway, yeah, we'll just install everything. And this is HEP, so it should work, actually, obviously, if it comes out of a Mac that is this old. And yeah, if this works, this all together works, I'm happy. If not, well, life goes on. So we'll just move you a little closer and start with this upgrader. Well, see if it works. Let's install this holy graphics card. And I remember what bitch this was to get in here. Is that actually in here? Seems to be. It's easy as that. I remember the old one that seemed to suck getting in here, but this worked. Yep, it's in. Just need to find a screw because that bills a little bit. No, not too bad actually. Here we have a screw. And because this magnet on that screwdriver isn't a mess anymore. Here we go. It's in. Great. Oh yeah, good opportunity to tell you. I got asked a couple of times already if I'm British or American or, well, speak English as my main language. No, I'm not. I'm Austrian. I just managed to get rid of my accent. I mean, I could talk like Arnold Schwarzenegger with an Austrian accent, but I'm not going to do this, so be happy. Anyway, here is the RAM. Random access memory. Oh, I will stop talking like this, it sucks. Anyway, yeah, see how that goes in here. I'll just put in one. I mean, I don't know if these actually work, but well, it better. Yeah, these old Macs are great. Actually saw recently a video about Niall unboxing an MDD, and that thought of me, let's keep that going again. Or, well, try at least. So, RAM is in. We're not going to put a hard drive in just yet. Just see if it boots up or shows any kind of video. And if not, well, then this whole thing was a waste of time, and oh well. Then we will declare this as dead. Because getting another power processor for this is just too pricey for me, so yeah. Oh, let's see, it doesn't have an IDE either. Well, I'll find another one. You're all set up. Mac is hooked up to this lovely Dell monitor. I will press the power button and hope for the best. Okay, RAM seems to be okay. Let's just see if it does something. I really hope. Oh my god. Woohoo! Yes, it works! That is awesome! Yes! I saved that thing. Great, great, great! So we got video. That is cool. Yep, I guess it was that video card. Awesome! I just have no idea what this video card is, but it works. And yeah, now we can go on with the upgrades and see if, well, if we can get it useful again. Now we know that this old beast is still alive. We can finally put in this second RAM stick, which will just bring up to, well, I will say 512 megabytes more, because I don't know how much that is, and I doubt it's I doubt it's 2 megabytes, not 2 gigabytes. That would be insane. These things only support up to 1.5 gigabytes anyway. So I have no idea how much this is, but well, we can say 512 megabytes more. Yeah, where's the bracket? Oh, it's already in there. Alright, didn't move that. Here's the, is that bracket thing. And yeah, how does that move? That moves right here. Like that. Or no, other way around. Like this. Okay. So I will just take very professional 2 screws. And oh my god. Don't have time for anything anymore. Because I need to leave at, holy shit, at 7:05 and it's already 1:45 and I'm still making this video. Yeah, just smashing that hard drive and wire it up, and then we'll call this part 1 of that little video. And oh yeah, already searched for an old IDE cable. Came out of an old PC that I built. One of its parts is my file server, and well, my file server works with SATA, not with IDE. It's just too slow. So oops, that was the wrong side. Oh well, does it matter? No, it does not. Great. Some of these have different sizes, like in the iMac G3s, but this one doesn't have, so great. Now let's just wire it up. G4 is done, and I'm very busy, so we'll call this part 1, and I will see you in the next vid.